So y'all, we're at Coral Pink Sand Dunes. So much fun, totally worth the trip out here. Highly recommend getting, if there's 2 people, getting 2 of the sleds. Yeah. But that was so much fun. Here's our trip. So next time we make a trip out here, we'll probably have to do the ATV rentals, but me and Shane decided to do the sledding. So it's $25 to rent a board. We're just gonna share it. This is day 8 and we've been hiking for the whole 8 days. So we chose the sled instead of the snowboard. So we're gonna go try it out.
All right, here's Joy. She's on top of this little small hill. We're gonna try. See how it goes.
Oh, God.
That wasn't bad.
That slid so much better than I thought. That was actually really fun. We are desert sledding today. Shane walking up there. Yeah, you are. God. I'm gonna try to video going down. It's like quicksand.
God, your shoes are gonna be full of sand. Look at them.
They're already full of sand.
Your whole foot is in the sand.
Yeah.
You made it.
Workout. Oh my God.
All right, here's Joyce. You can go down the steep one.
Holy shit!
Dang, dude. God.
Alright guys, Shane's going down the big hill. Totally worth it. I'm ready. That's Shane way down there. We're gonna meet up over here somewhere. That was our last slide. Oh my gosh. Can you see it good?